This is a sample provided by the brand Sunpei Pro for the purpose of this demonstration. All right, we've got the Sunpei Pro limb cutter here. This comes in this plastic blow mold case. We've got the tool, 2 rechargeable batteries, instruction set, and battery charger. We've also got a little tool set for taking the blades apart and sharpening them with a sharpening stone. All right, we're going to go ahead and demonstrate this real quick. All right, plugged in the battery. There's a little screen here that shows you the battery percentage, and it also counts the number of cuts that the tool has made. All right, we're going to go ahead and demonstrate. Going to go ahead and prune this branch that has probably about a 1-inch diameter here. Oh wow, it cuts through it like butter. Absolutely cuts through it like butter.
Really clean cut.
Yeah. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, clean cuts right through it like butter. That's pretty amazing. And let's see, our battery still reads 100%. Looks like you could go quite a while with this. All right, I know what you're thinking, but it does have some safety features on it as well. When you first connect the battery in, you do have to hold the tool's button down twice in order to activate it so that you don't accidentally trigger the tool while installing the battery. So it does have some safety features like that. You can also hold the button down and lock it in the closed position if you want to prevent any accidental cuts. Okay, there's the 2 beeps, and now it's locked in the closed position. Okay, that's Sunpei Pro Pruning electric shears.